How to find out which versions of a package can I install on apt. Using apt, you can install a specific version of a package using. But you can't do. So, how can I find out which versions are available for package on a specific repository, or in all repositories in my /etc/app/sources.list?
Just as an addendum, we'll list the versions available from all your sources. Madison is an apt cache subcommand. Man apt cache says apt cache's Madison command attempts to mimic the output format and a subset of the functionality of the Debian archive management tool, Madison. It displays available versions of a package in a tabular format. Unlike the original Madison, it can only display information for the architecture for which apt has retrieved package lists, apt:\architecture.
The apt cache show and lt package and gt shows the package descriptions of all the versions your Debian installation can install, i.e. from cached list of packages available from the repos listed in sources.list. So I guess you could try something like, for example, the apt cache show would give you much more info than just versions.
Sample output. So we see that there are two versions of GDB available.
A command that is specifically intended for this is apt show versions. You often have to install it, but then can run apt show versions and it will show you the version number, the distribution, i.e. testing, stable, unstable, backports, etc., where that can be found, and finally tell you if the version you have installed is up to date or not. It does not give you as much information as apt cache, but gives you pretty much what you need, as you can then install from the correct repository, using aptitude, aptget, or simply install using the correct version number in the form you noted.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.